Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special. The all-new 2026 Ford Bronco 60th Anniversary Edition. If you're a Bronco fan or even just love rugged off-road ready SUVs, you're going to want to stick around for this one. This isn't just another Bronco, it's a celebration of 60 years of one of the most iconic off-road vehicles ever made, and trust me, it's something to get excited about. First up, the look. Because let's be honest, it grabs you immediately. The 60th Anniversary Bronco blends classic charm with modern flair. Think retro-inspired wheels, a white-painted roof, and a bold front grille with that proud 60 badge. The color options are eye-catching, and the overall vibe screams adventure before you even turn the key. It's nostalgic, but it's definitely built for today's roads and trails. Now here's where things get really interesting. The engine options. Ford is introducing hybrid power for this edition. Imagine that. The Bronco's legendary off-road capability combined with fuel efficiency and instant torque. Perfect for climbing tough trails on the weekend, while also being surprisingly friendly on long highway drives. Exact numbers aren't out yet, but expect plenty of grunt for off-road fun. Speaking of off-road, you know a Bronco isn't just about looks. The 60th Anniversary Edition comes packed with all the off-road tech you love: upgraded suspension, trail-ready tires, advanced four-wheel drive systems, and better approach and departure angles. Driving modes for sand, mud, rocks, you name it, make sure you're always in control. Plus, think of those extra refinements that Ford might throw in to make your adventure even smoother. Inside, the interior is seriously upgraded. Premium two-tone leather seats, a refreshed infotainment system, and small but thoughtful touches make it feel both rugged and luxurious. It's perfect whether you're heading off-road or just cruising around town. And yes, Ford nailed the balance between adventure-ready and comfortable. Looking back, this edition honors the classic Broncos while bringing it into the modern era. Older models were raw and tough, no doubt, but this one blends nostalgia with technology, comfort, and style. It's a Bronco that respects its roots while showing what the future of off-road SUVs can look like. Now the big question: price. Ford hasn't shared exact numbers yet, but expect it in the premium Bronco range. Limited 60th Anniversary editions always carry a bit of a premium, but with the design, tech, and hybrid power, it's going to be worth every penny. Honestly, the 2026 Ford Bronco 60th Anniversary is shaping up to be a real game-changer. Stylish, powerful, and ready for adventure, all while celebrating 6 decades of Bronco history. So, what do you think? Are you excited to see it in person? Comment below with your favorite feature: retro-inspired look, hybrid power, or all the off-road tech. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown, and subscribe for more car news and reviews. More exciting stuff is coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Alright, that's it for today. Stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video.